Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background from image for free. There is an online tool you can use for free to remove any background from an image, and you can make that image transparent for your projects. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So what we are going to use today is this is a free online AI tool called BGBye. BGBye is just an online AI tool you can use to just remove backgrounds. So all you have to do here is to um, drag, drop or paste, however you want to do. It is also uh, used for videos as well. So you can use it for images and you can use it for videos as well. So you just click here and then you find the image um, you want to remove the background, which we will use this image right here. So as soon as you upload the image, you see the methods that is being used will be processing at the right. So as it processes, you have your image or the background being removed. So it's either you choose one of these methods to fine tune how you want the background to be. So as you click, you see that there's some changes going on there. When you click, there's some changes going on. So you just have to go through the methods and then you find the one that you think gives you the best result. So when you click here, it gives you a magnifying glass which you can use to check the edges to make sure that you have the best image. So if the image is not to your satisfaction, all you have to do is to go back uh, to the methods to find which one did the job best. So the other thing you can do here also is you can just scroll this to the left and right to see what job this tool has done. And then you can just also upload a new image if you think you have other images to do. So you upload the other image and then the AI will just do its work. Automatically will be removing the background. So you took your time for the methods to run, and then after that you check whether the background was removed to your satisfaction. Other than that, as usual, you can just go through the methods, but the system or the AI actually detects your picture and then gives you the best method which it thinks is best to remove the background. So if you are not satisfied with it, you can just still go through the methods. And then you can choose to make the picture transparent here or choose a background color, whichever way you want it. So these are the colors, the color palette here. You can use all sort of colors, and then you can choose to, or you go back to the transparent, which you decided. And before you also choose this whether you drag a photo or a video, all you have to do is also you can select the methods here, but the best thing is to leave them all marked so that the system or the AI will be able to detect your picture and gives you the best method to use. Okay, so after that, you can decide to make it transparent or make a solid background color, whatever way you want it. You have all the colors here. So you can choose what you want to do with it. So after that, you just go to download and then you can download your file and you can have your image trans in transparent. So it's very simple. You just download and then you have your file in transparent background. So it's just that easy, a very free tool, online tool, easy AI tool you can use. Um, that's it all about this tool. And then you can also choose to change the background, whether you want a dark mode or bright mode. You can do that here. So that's it. Just an easy to use. All right, so I'll end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share whilst I come on your way with different tools and new tools or upcoming tools. Just subscribe so you never miss any of the tools I share. I hope this video helps you. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.